There, Murph here for a pro overview of Omnicube's material reinforcement accessories. By now, you've likely heard all about our sinkhole savers. They were developed to support your fragile material from fabrication to transportation and final installation. But not all jobs are the same, and sometimes you find yourself working with a uniquely shaped material that needs a custom reinforcement solution. So today, I'm here to showcase the solution for just that, the all-new rotating cup arm. The rotating cup arm is a simple way to add an additional 70 pounds of lifting capacity, as well as structural reinforcement to your fragile material. This accessory is small enough to fit where a standard sinkhole saver can't, yet strong enough to ensure your piece is safe from start to finish. The rotating cup arm is comprised of a 24-inch lightweight extruded aluminum reel and a single non-marking 6-inch vacuum cup that features a concave design that ensures a tight hold on both porous and textured stone. This arm can be attached to the extrusion of any of our material reinforcement products, including the entire sinkhole saver cup line and the S3. And you can use more than one arm at a time to get whatever extra support and stability the piece requires. To use it, simply slide it on the rail and lock it into place like so. It can be rotated up to 180 degrees, giving you the freedom to find the angle that works just right for your piece. For manual models, pump down these thumb pumps to create vacuum pressure. For automatic models, simply connect the tubing to the nearest cup on your sinkhole saver or S3, and there you have it. Pair the Omnicube sinkhole saver or S3 with either of these accessories and you will find there are no shapes or sizes of stone that can't be reinforced and protected. As always, visit our website at omnicube.com for more information, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more pro overviews. Till next time, cheerio!